And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are in one of the most beautiful, magnificent rooms of the whole Hermitage Museum. We are in the Pavilion Hall of the small Hermitage. It was designed in the middle of the 19th century by architect Schneider in eclectical style, mixture of styles. Here you can see classical columns, oriental gallery up there, 26 Russian crystal chandeliers, some elements of Arabic style, some elements of Italian Renaissance art, a lot of different mosaics. Over there you can see mosaic on the floor. It's Russian work. Russian craftsmen made it in the 19th century. It's half size of the original mosaic that can be seen in the Vatican Museum right now. And over there in the distance, besides some groups of Chinese tourists, you can see the Peacock Clock, a gift, a present of Prince Potemkin to Catherine the Great, Catherine II. By the way, she paid her own 11,000 rubles for it, but it's another story. Today I'd like to tell you something interesting about 4 fountains here, unusual fountains here in the center of the Hermitage Museum, fountains which are called fountains of tears. This is just one of the 4 fountains of tears that can be seen here in the Pavilion Hall. We all know this name. All Russian people know this name thanks to the poem written by Alexander Pushkin in 1824. It's called Bakhchisarai Fountain. It's about a true love story, tragic love story of a Crimean Khan to one of his beloved girls, Polish girl that had been slain by one of the ex-wives of the Khan. And in memory of that beloved girl that died, he commissioned the Fountain of Tears. It was restored after 40 years, and now you can see how it's working. And this story was the inspiration for a ballet of 1930s, 1934, that can be seen even now on the stage of the Mariinsky Opera and Ballet Theater. So the poem written by Alexander Pushkin, the ballet, and all this about love, and these very fountains of tears. Welcome to the Hermitage, welcome to St. Petersburg, welcome to Russia. Travel with us.